Hey everyone! Welcome to KinTec's new product machining showcase. We're taking on the challenge of transforming a plain piece of material into a precise finished part. Are you ready? Let's go! From this to this, how long do you think it takes? That's right, time is efficiency. And efficiency is the magic we chase. But don't go anywhere, because the best is yet to come. Installation? So easy. It's like building with Lego. Once the fixation is done, the rough machining begins. This is always an exciting moment. Look at that, the big shape transformation is happening right before your eyes. Don't blink. The entire process is filmed from behind the safety glass. Our technicians are like hidden heroes, constantly monitoring the situation to ensure every product is born safely. From raw material to finished product, every step is a blend of our dedication and expertise. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in our machining technology or have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content coming your way. We'll see you next time.